Good morning, I'm Chetos Aero Model here. What I get is Uchida 4-bladed ceiling fan here, contained with 3 lamps. Alright, so let's get a closer look today. These blades are made of woods, and the blade holders made of golden, and the lamps, and also have a cup on the lamps. It's installed with the 3 lamps and 2 pull cane available here, and a brushless motor inside it. This is a 4-bladed fan, so let's test it out. Shall I set on high speed? Sorry, low speed. Holy crap, it's so very slow. I am not fun playing. This fan is very slow. I don't know what happened, but it's quite silent. It's not get any noise. It also have a reverse right there to reverse for winter or summer. Also a lamp right here. But I'm not turned on the lamp because this is morning. So I set on high speed. Holy crap, guys! This is not one you to blow air hard. There was the fastest turn as possible. This is the high speed. The air is quite better than the Hinode one. Okay, so let's turn it off. Alright, so I feel the motor is quite hot, and let's run it on reverse speed. Again, this ceiling fan is not want you to spin fast. That was the fastest as possible. And let's turn it off. Alright guys, so this is not a quite good ceiling fan enough, and this is not so fast speed. The high speed on this fan is like the low speed on the Hinode one. Alright, thanks for watching guys. I hope you subscribe on my video and like it. Disliking I will send you to the hell. Thank you.